Once privacy objectives have been determined by the senior management team, one of the most important steps is to determine what work must be carried out in order to deliver those objectives. Identifying an appropriate set of privacy activities can itself be quite daunting because there is so much to consider. Privacy Map simplifies this part of the process by using privacy self-assessment to generate a set of tasks that can then be turned into active work streams. Let's see how this works. Here we are in the Privacy Program Builder. We can see a number of options for creating a privacy profile. To recap, within the NIST Privacy Management Framework, a profile is the set of functions, categories and subcategories that an organization will use to drive their privacy program. At the lowest level, a profile is a list of privacy activities. We'll select Create from Self-Assessment. This assessment is divided into a number of sections including the Privacy Office, data processing, the use of personal information, rights of data subjects, privacy risk assessment and privacy awareness. Each section presents a number of questions that can be scored on a scale of 1 to 5. You will also notice that each of the questions will be signed with the identity of the user that has answered the question, and there is also space to capture qualitative information that can provide further context. This makes it easier to have different members of your privacy team involved in completing the self-assessment whilst providing visibility as to who has responded to the questions. When the assessment is complete, a profile is generated and added to the program. Users can review this profile in order to obtain a detailed understanding of how it has been structured. In this example, the recommended tasks are spread over all 5 functions in the framework, although there is more of an emphasis on the identify and govern functions. On selecting each function, the categories and subcategories from which tasks have been selected for the profile are highlighted. Finally, the task list view presents the recommended tasks as a simple list together with a summary chart so that it is easy to see where the focus of activity is. One of the ways in which this view is useful is that it helps members of the privacy team who will be working on specific tasks to understand where their work fits in the overall privacy program. It can also help with resource planning. Having reached this point, the next step is operational, that is to allocate the tasks and manage them.